It's a concept where the both means will pass through the regression equation. Okay. Now, one of the common mistakes students make is this. They just substitute this value in to this one here. So they just sub x inside, 85 inside, and then find y. Wrong. I repeat, wrong. What I'm saying. Yeah, I think you understood the idea of wrong, but you don't know why it's wrong, right? Okay, let me just explain to you. Okay, somehow there's a regression line here. Very nice regression line. All the scatter plots here. That. Okay. I don't know how it's being scattered lah. Okay. Now this regression line has the equation of y equals to mx plus c. So this is y equals to 0.8 x minus. I lazy to write. Yeah. Now this 85, when you take 85 and replace inside here, you're assuming that 85 comma k is on the line. Okay? But 85 comma k is not on the line. Actually scattered around it. Okay? Perfectly straight line. Imperfection. Okay, so you have like the 85 and k is actually not on the line. So please don't replace 85 and k into the equation. Okay? What you need is to find out what is this k here, which is not on the line equation. So what we need now is to find out, we know that x bar and y bar satisfy this equation. Confirm plus chop. Okay? Just now we talked about it, right? It always passes through it. So from here, just find x bar. Can you tell me what is x bar? Just x bar lah. It's just the mean, the average of everything. Just add up everything that we do since primary school. Divided by how many data points are there? There are like 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. X bar would be 107. Y bar would be I lazy to write everything up. Just okay. So stop. There will be okay, this one will be I just put nearest integer because it seems like everything is nearest integer. You can put 3SF is fine. I'll just put I just put nearest integer because all the rest are nearest integer. I don't want it to be a odd one out. Get ostracized, not bad.